Hi ATC, I'm Julia, and welcome to my final project about Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is large tropical rainforest occupying the drainage basin of the Amazon River, and it's in South America and covering an area of 23 million square miles. This rainforest is a reflection of high rainfall and high humidity and monotonously big temperatures. The Amazon jungle contains several million species of the insects, plants, birds, and other forms of life, many still unrecorded by science. There are many types of animals in Amazon such as jaguar, manatee, tapir, red deer, capybara, and many other types of rodents, and several types of monkeys. You can find the Amazon River dolphins, a giant armadillo, ocelot, a pygmy marmoset, and many other types and many other animals. And there are plants too, like heliconia flower, orchidea, cacao, giant water lilies, and over 40,000 plant species. The Amazon jungle is the largest rainforest on the earth, and they call it is the lung of the earth. Thanks for watching.